Hello everyone, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling Pythagoras theorem from geometry topic in GCSE Maths. Pause this video and read this information at least few seconds. This is the Pythagoras theorem rules and this is the Pythagoras theorem question example. Now let's move to different types of Pythagoras theorem questions. Point P and Q are coordinates 1, 4 and 5, 2. Calculate the shortest distance between P and Q. So, this is the question they given and we need to draw P and Q first and then we need to make right angle triangle. We need to find the longer side. When you find the longer side, the rule is here. This rule is for longer side. So 2 square plus 4 square equal to 20, root 20 equal to 4.5 centimeter. This is the way we can solve this type of questions. Pause this video and try to understand on your own second question. I hope you understand on your own. Yes, Pythagoras theorem work only for right-angled triangles. Find the length of side AC. Give your answer to one decimal place. So when you find the long side, you must have to square to other two sides and add them and take a square root of the answer, and then it will, if you round to one decimal place, 13.9 centimeter will be your final answer. Sometimes in exam they will give that right angled triangle in opposite direction like this. You must have to notice which side you are finding, either long side or short side. If it is short side, then you must have to take away other two sides to get your final answer. This is another way of the question. These questions are little twisting, but these are very easy to solve. Below is a picture of doorway. Find the size of diagonal of the doorway. So we need to draw a line in between of the door and we need to find longer side of doorway. Pause this video and try to understand this question on your own before I explain. So I draw a line here. 2.1 meter square plus 0.8 meter square will give you 5.05 and I took square root. So if you calculate this in your calculator, this is 2.2 meter. This is the way we can solve this type of the questions. In the sketch of the rectangular field below, James wants to walk from B to D. Which of the following routes is shorter and by how much? From B to C to D or straight across the field from B to D. Give your answer to the nearest meter. This is all the way, all the question is a little bit twisting, but if you read very carefully, it is very easy to solve. 50 square plus 60 square will give you 6100. If you do square root 78.1 meter, it will give you 60 plus 50 equal to 110 minus 78.1 will give you 32 meters. This is the way you can solve this type of problems. Pause this video and try to understand, read the question carefully. Fiona keeps her pencils in a cylindrical beaker as shown below. The beaker has a diameter of 8 cm and height of 17 cm. Will a pencil length (19 cm) fit in the beaker without poking out of the top? All workings must be shown. No, it won't fit. You will get 1 mark for that. And then if you draw 8 cm diameter and 17 cm, and if you draw in between line, and 17 square equal to 289, 8 square equal to 64, 289 plus 64. We need to find the longer side. So root 353 will give you 18.79 centimeter. So it won't fit because 18.79 centimeter is very small than 19 centimeter. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching Novita Creations. Please read the questions carefully before you solve GCSE math questions or any math questions. Try to understand what the question is asking first, and then try to remember the formula. Thank you for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.